Okay, guys, so it's been a little while since I've streamed, but I really wanted to stream something and I've got a pretty good idea for what to do. So yeah, welcome to the stream. Let me know in the chat if you're here. I should be able to see your messages right here. Let's just change this to live chat. And yeah, I'm going to be basically working on SEO Grove today. SEO Grove is a Shopify automation platform. If you're interested in trying it out, then there's a link in the chat as well. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating landing pages with the new, well, apparently it's not new, but like it's new to me at least, the new Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. Am I live? Yep. New Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is basically an app generator. But I think I've got a better use for it than just being an app generator, to be honest with you. So I'm going to show you that in today's stream, and we're going to be working on my SaaS. So yeah, let's get on with it. So basically the way this is going to work is I'm going to try and create some landing pages. The first one is going to be a free Nano Banana blog featured image post generator. The user should be able to put their blog post title and it should generate a featured image for that blog post. They should be able to pick square or landscape as options, and then it should generate a downloadable featured image for them, right? So my idea here is I'm not actually going to create apps. I'm going to create things that I'm then going to add to my website to get organic traffic, right? So the whole point of this is to basically take what it gives me, add it to this website, which is my SaaS, and then try and increase the organic traffic of this SaaS. So you can see here, it's doing pretty well generally, 73,000 impressions, 61,000 in the last 28 days. So it's not like it's doing badly or anything. Let me know if you're in the chat, by the way, guys. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if everything is good. Let me just actually increase. Yeah, okay. Perfect. So let's just see how. Oh, the fuck? Okay. What? Top 10 productivity tips for 2026. So let's generate here. So what I'm then going to do is I'm going to take what it gives me and I'm going to actually, oh, damn, dude. Well, that was quick. Download image. Okay, so the download doesn't work. That's fine. So I'm going to go code here and, oh wait, I need to make a change. Crap, I forgot to say to it. Please make the Gemini. There's something wrong with your mic. I'm not hearing anything. Really? So you can see here, it's doing pretty well generally. 75,000 impressions. Wait, I need to make a change. It's working on my phone. I can see the stream on my phone. It's working. Please make the Gemini API key variable and env variable called Gemini API key, and make sure functionality works. Has anyone else got problems? Please make the. I can hear it on my phone completely fine. I have the stream open on my phone. Seems okay to me. Okay, thanks, Kadir. Hey, by the way, guys. Currently working on. Okay, so response step. Good joke, man. Okay, let's have a look. Wait. Okay. So this uses. Does this use Gemini Banana? Whatever it's called, Nano Banana. Okay, so this is hopefully going to be a pretty good lead gen tool for us. Hey, yeah, thanks, Kadir. All's good in my personal life for sure. Okay, so code. Let's grab this code here. Let's turn this into a landing page to grab a. Oh, this is React. I'm just going to see if it can do it in. Can you do this in. Wait, but does it matter if it's React? All that matters is that it embeds here, right? So as far as I know, it doesn't actually matter as long as it runs here. Oh, okay, it doesn't run here. So it's decided to use React. I'm just going to go back and say, can you do this in plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript, please? So for some reason, it's decided to go down the route of using React. I didn't ask it to use React, but that's fine. It happens. Thanks for tuning in, guys. How is everyone? I hope everything is well with you guys too, in your professional and personal lives. So it's using cdntailwinds.com. Interesting. Okay. So this should be a little bit better for me. Okay, cool. Okay, there we go. Top 10 tips for productivity in 2026. Generate featured image. Let's just see it at work here. Oops. Top 10 tips for productivity in 6. There we go. 10 tips for productivity in 2026. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, download image doesn't work. I guess it's because it's a cause issue. So let's grab this code. I would really like it. Oh, you can do Control A, Control C. You saved my business so much money. When's your birthday? It's on the 7th of March. I will be 32, which is crazy, but also not that crazy. A lot of people say life goes so fast. For me, life just is going at like exactly the rate that I would expect it to go, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's do something new here, Claude Code. I'm giving you a new landing page, which is AI enhanced, and I want to use it as a lead gen device. I think maybe a pop-up would be best after just after 5 seconds of being on the page, just have it pop up with a CTA to grab people's emails, put these emails alongside tracking in the Supabase, and make sure they don't see the pop-up repeatedly using cookies or whatever. The entire tool is just a page. All you have to do is build the functionality I ask, and also make it look like it fits with my Grove template. Also do all the SEO for it, using the title free nano banana blog featured image generator, and then doing various SEO things around that. Include some JSON snippets, which can be read by LLMs and by Google. Okay, and then we paste the entire tool and we hit enter, and we hope that that works basically. What is this? Is it better than Claude Code? It's not. I wouldn't say it's better than Claude Code. It has a different use to Claude Code. What I'm using it for right now is I'm creating a one-page tool which I can use as a lead generator for my website, right? So this is a Nano Banana blog featured image generator. Enter your blog post title, choose an aspect ratio, etc., etc. But like, this is pretty standard stuff. But what I'm doing is I'm using that to get leads for my SaaS, right? That's the plan here. Let's see here. So the first thing it's doing is adding a new database thing, which is good. That's perfect. Let me create the table in Supabase for email captures. So it's going to actually do this using the MCP, I guess. Yeah, there we go. So it uses the MCP. The prod DB starts with M. The dev DB starts with S. Update them both. So what's everyone working on? What have you guys been doing for the last few weeks and stuff? You've been working hard. Hope so. Come on, guys. We got to grind while other people don't grind. Can this build a TikTok comment scraper, or is Claude Code a better tool for that? I think because it's quite a simple concept. If you're just building like a simple concept, I would say that Gemini is pretty good because it's AI powered, right? You can actually like. The problem with Claude Code is even if you give it documentation, it's sometimes going to make mistakes. But the really cool thing about this tool specifically is that it's trained on how to write Gemini code, which is a huge advantage because it's always the case that it gets things wrong. But I hope Claude Code doesn't F up this entire prompt due to its struggle lately. Yeah, we'll definitely see about that. Let me just make sure monetization is on, guys, just because it does this thing for some reason where monetization isn't on. Let me just make sure. Yeah, it is on. I don't know. I don't think it will be on personally. I can actually check here, right, on my phone. Let's have a look. Not that I'm massively bothered about that, obviously, but, you know, every little helps, as Tesco says. I don't even know how to check on my phone. Oh, it's here. Doesn't say. I tried building a TikTok comment scraper, but it didn't work well in Claude Code. Yeah, definitely try Gemini. You never know. It might smash it. Okay, so let me create the nanobanana.html file. So what I'm hoping is I can kind of get traffic for two things here. Number one, nano banana because it's new, and number two, just generally. I've been doing the Julian Goldie master course and it's increased my annual revenue by $16. I don't know. Yeah, I try my best to give people things for free that they can actually make money with. I'm trying to build this SaaS in public and not just using my YouTube channel to drive people to the SaaS. Obviously, that is a big part of the channel right now, is getting people to go on here. But like, you know, I want to actually build a SaaS that gets traffic by itself and brings in customers by itself because I think that would be really, really cool. And yeah, this is part of that process. Organic SEO, obviously, I'm a kind of expert in SEO, so I have a good feeling about what I'm doing here. I actually got the idea originally from keyword tools. I was going to talk a little bit about this. So what you can do is you can use Google Ads Keyword Planner. This is this is a set up account already. But you can basically just type like free AI tool and you can just see what kind of comes out here and what kind of traffic they've got, right? Free AI picture generator, 10,000 to 100,000 search. Best AI image generator. There's a lot of search around AI images, right? So what we could do here is we could put AI featured image generator. I don't know why Google's doing this. No. Uh, blog post image generator. 100, 10 to 100 is not even that much. But yeah, I'm going to do a few tools. It's not just going to be one. I've got all these tools to make, so. I don't know why Google's doing that. Stop it. I hate that stuff. Actually, it's better what you think. Like, you create content and you show people how to do it and what's the idea, so people have to try cook. I think it helps people to improve their skills. Hell yeah, dude. Yo. Oh, God, I'm getting really annoyed with this. Yo, what's cooking? Trying to abuse artifacts. It was fun with Claude, but I guess if you can trigger image gen with Gemini, then we're on the next level. Yeah, exactly. The fact that it can, like, bake itself with Gemini and you don't even have to pay for it. Like, I don't know if you saw my video that I made about this, but like, I mean, I'm on Pro now because you do have to pay for it. Sorry, but you don't have to pay for the API usage on this tool. As so, like, you can test everything first, right? Basically, what I mean. You're not directly giving the fish. You show how people to hook the fish and cook the fish. We like that. Yeah, that's exactly what I. That's a really good way to define my channel. I can't read out that entire message, Martin Jepson, but thanks. You can email me if you want. My email's on my channel. Yeah. Also, just signing up to the Skool community, for example, is just a huge help to me because it means I can focus on doing things like this. Okay, it's already pushing. I didn't actually want it to, but that's fine. Let's just go on localhost here, 5,000, and we'll log out. Yeah, where is the thing? So it's No. There we go. Okay, /tools/nano banana. That's not very good URL, but we can always change it. Let's have a look. Okay. Did you restart? Okay. Yeah, same with Claude and Gemini 3 seems so too stupidly high limits for the banana. Yeah, true. Does Gemini CLI have a paid plan like Claude Code? Yeah, it does. You can log in with your paid Google account. You can do that. Yeah. Okay, there was an error. That's why. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. There we go. Bang. Look at that. Okay, so I think we can. I think we can. Oh, look at that. Bang. And does this work? Okay, success. Okay. Um, best crocodile shoes for men in 2026. Let's do landscape. I really like that title. Come on, show me it. Oh wait, I don't have an API key set. Obviously, it's not gonna work. Okay, obviously, yeah. I need to set my API key. So I can grab my API key here. I did quite a clever thing. I made it so you can't see it. And then I need to add that to the .env, I guess. Oh, it uses Gemini Flash. Does Gemini Flash automatically use banana? Wait, that doesn't seem right. Nano banana model use. I don't actually know if I'm using it or not because it seems to be using 2.0 Flash, which doesn't seem right. But let me just see though because the quality seems pretty decent. Yes, banana is Flash. Okay. So I need to add the API key add. Oh, I can just export it. Okay. That's pretty cool actually. Let me just do that quickly. I'll read the chat in a second, guys. I'll just do this part. I'm trying to. Oh, God, yeah, you guys are gonna see it here. I'm just gonna quickly go off. 1 second. I just don't want to have to. Oh no, paste it like that. Okay, good. Okay, and then let me turn off. New tab. New window. Okay, let me just see if this works. Top 10 crocodile shoes for men in 2026. Landscape generate. Does Gemini answer that? So what's cooking? I'm making SEO pages for my SaaS FatJ. Codex extension VS Code is killer right now. Yeah, true. I agree with that. Failed to generate image. I'll just ask it to set the API. Oh, it's 2.5 Flash. Okay. Okay, I'll change that then. I can easily just change that. Change the model to 2.5. Did you switch to Codex from Claude yet? What's your current 3 favorite AI? Claude Code is number 1, 100% still. Codex is probably number 2, and then Gemini is probably number 2 as well. I have both of those at the top. In case you put this up, your API key was visible when marking to copy it. Yeah, I'll delete the API key in a second. All the LLMs know about 2.0, not about 2.5 versions. So when you say Gemini, they default right 2.0. Yeah, I know that. I thought that Gemini had this covered though, but I guess not. Oh my God, that's so fucking annoying. I hate env stuff. It's so hard to stream when you're doing environment stuff. It's so frustrating. Great. I need to change all those now. Fantastic. God, that's so frustrating, but whatever, it is what it is. I have to go on here every time, go to scene, and then check it. I'm overloaded with the constant new improvements. Yeah, me too, dude. Me too. It's not just you, mate. Think about me. I have to make the videos on it. Well, I'll be back in a second, guys, on the screen. I'm just doing something. Okay. Let's see if it works now. It should work now. Top 10 pedal shoes for 1925. Let's see what the console's saying here. There we go. Oh. The landscape one didn't work very well. Damn. Holy shit. Okay, it does work. Okay, perfect. Can't you set up OpenRouter or whatever API key system-wide so it doesn't show up when using it in Windows? I have to add it to sys variables. Yeah, but because I'm coding an application, I have to then think about how to actually put the application online and for it to work and stuff. So, does download work? Yeah, it does. Okay, so I think the last thing here that we need to do is vibe code the SEO for this a bit, make it a bit more detailed and ranking for various other things. Let me just get the Ahrefs title generator. Right. Here's an example from Ahrefs which ranks well. You're gonna roll this image tool out as a SaaS? No, but I might actually do that. But that's not the plan for this. The plan for this is just to grab traffic, basically, and get them on Grove, and then try and convert them through email marketing. I'm trying to build a SaaS in public that makes money for itself, right? That's my plan right now. I want to show everyone knows how to make SaaSes, right? But no one is showing how to make money from those SaaSes. What I'm trying to do is show how people can make money from these SaaSes. Wait, also you've added this to like a new template, so there's no header or announcement bar. I want this, keep the header as it is on the desktop. Masterful prompt engineering right here. Yeah, true. Okay, you were saying you weren't going to use a sysvar because you were going to put this out. Yeah, it's going on my SaaS that already exists for free as a lead gen. So I need to think about how it can work on DigitalOcean, right? So I need to use environment variables, but not environment variables system wide, right? Because I mean, I could export it on my system. Actually, I never thought about that. Damn, yeah. I didn't actually think about that. I can export it on DigitalOcean, but I'm currently building in Google Canvas a sprite generation tool that uses bananas to create animation sprites for 2D games. That's a great idea. My advice to you is make it free for now, and then once you have people using it, then think about a monetization policy. By the way, I wanted to ask you, still use context engineering intro, or you go with things like SpecKit? What will your up-to-date pipeline be to create a new SaaS? Like if you want to start Harbor again, I'd do everything from step by step. Here is a bright idea. We turn you into an MCP. I thought you said NPC. Yeah, good idea. I'm just going to go for a quick slash, guys. One sec. I don't know what word to use. I'm just going to go for a piss real quick. One sec. I am back. Have you tried Codex? I find GPT-5 better than Sonnet Opus Combo. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I was impressed by Codex. I liked it a lot. How would you go about ranking countries that do not speak English? Germany, Netherlands are huge markets. Yeah, that's a very good point. I do need to at some point translate the entirety of this website into different languages, but I haven't done it yet. But I'm sure that there's an HTML thing that will allow me to do that. Extend the base public so it's proper header navigation announcement bar. Let me rewrite the entire template. Okay. I see that as now. Okay. Perfect. I found that. Or rather, search the internet in their native language. Yeah, no, you're definitely right. I'm from Germany. I agree there are some big opportunities. Yeah, I mean, my tool should definitely be in German. I might actually just stick it in German. Probably not in today's stream though, because I've already got an idea for today's stream. But that would also bring in a hell of a lot of traffic. Yeah, you guys are right for sure. I need to do that. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Do I have Playwright here? No. Let me just add the Playwright MCP real quick. Playwright MCP. The really cool thing about the Playwright MCP is it's just literally one command that they actually put on their thing. So there we go, Claude-C. Use Playwright to process the CSS. Something got messed up. It might be. Wait, is this even the right? Oh no, there's right. I think DeepL can do it, but the question is, how would you go about it? I would, yeah, you're right. I would probably, you can use Google Ads Keyword Planner for this. I'll show you exactly how. You guys might be interested in this actually. You can discover new keywords. I can put German, and Germany. Get rid of Italy, save, and then you can actually write in English. Free AI tools, right? And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, you can see it comes up with German suggestions, right? AI generate. I don't know what kostenlos means, but it looks like kostenless is like costless, probably, I would guess. So you can say kostenlos AI image generator. This is how people search it in German, right? So you can give it the translation. You don't actually have to worry too much about thinking of translations itself. For example, private school looking for safety gloves in German might say, yeah, that's what I'm showing you now. Look, you can do this. So look, you can search exactly, what is it? Looking for safety gloves. And I believe it should translate. Oh, it doesn't. I was pretty certain that it did. Oh, it does, yeah. So I don't know which of these words you would pick, but I don't know if any of these. I don't know. I don't know how it works exactly, but I was pretty sure you could do an English search and get German results. I've seen it before, but maybe it doesn't work with safety gloves or something. I don't know. Ultamits. A lot of those look like brands, to be fair. But yeah, you can do it with Google to a certain extent. I guess it's not perfect. Process the CSS. Don't take screenshots. It's clearly not. The CSS is clearly wrong here. But yeah, I mean, oh yeah, that's what I was going to check. I need to check Superbase and make sure that it. There we go. Dev tables. Uh, I don't know where this would have put it. Doesn't seem to be any new tables. Oh, tool email captures. Yeah, there we go. Bang. Nice. It's even got tool name in it. That's pretty cool. Compacting conversation. Honestly, the worst time. I hate that shit. Absolutely hate this. What's your mail, Hamish? It's just incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. Yeah. Incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. I think this might get a lot of traffic. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I have a feeling this is gonna get a shitload of traffic. It's very interesting to see how streams affect videos, I will tell you. Very, very interesting. Streaming is a great way to get extra views, though. Holy shit, if you're a YouTuber, you need to get on streaming. They push your stream out pretty well, to be fair. They do a very, very good job of it. Worst timed compact conversation I've ever seen in my entire life. Martin, please be careful with what you send me. I do have a Neapolitan fiance who will karate chop me. I miss her actually. She's coming soon to Ireland. Okay. No, it's not. What? I can't remember if we have two base templates. It's very annoying, this kind of stuff. So it's saying the CSS is correct now, but even after looking at it on Playwright. How can you see the token counter after they removed it? I can find out how to see it. I haven't changed anything. I'm not sure what's causing that. Come on, I hate this, honestly. How hard is it to... It really doesn't want to admit that it's broken. It's very annoying. Come on, Playwright. Yeah, there we go. Don't worry, I love to joke around and talk shit, but I do actually run a fairly successful business and have an inquiry, don't worry. I was just checking. Just, yeah. By the way, Playwright, I've been testing various browser control plugins, got browser MCP to control my actual Chrome with my logged in data, not particularly safe, but yeah. I did that I don't know how long ago, like maybe 6 months ago with Playwright. Not Playwright, with Root Code. Sorry guys, I'm just roasting a butternut squash in the background, ready to make some, as they say, pumpkin pasta. It's not actually pumpkin, it's squash pasta. This here, I'm making this today. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, is that with mushroom? Oh, roasted garlic. Mmm. Yeah, guys, this stuff. I'm so lucky to have lived in Italy and discovered all of these recipes. All you do is you get a squash, you roast it for like 2 hours, and then you get the seeds out, and then you blend it, and it becomes like a pesto-y pesto sauce. Once you add some parmesan, and oh god, I'm so lucky to have learned from the absolute best of the best in terms of Italian cooking. The Neapolitans, god damn, do they have some good recipes? Chickpea pasta as well. I made the other day. That's a real good one. This is my favorite meal, I would say. Yeah, like that. Like that. That's a real one. Oh, look at it. God, it's so good. I don't know why the token count is coming up suddenly. Yeah, I haven't seen it in a while actually. I don't think I have a particular setting on or anything. Maybe I do, but I'm pretty sure I don't. Okay, this actually is taking a lot longer than I expected. I thought Claude Code would smash this, but maybe I need to give Nano Banana my styling first. Hurry the hell up, what the fuck? It's taking ages. People have been saying Claude Code's getting slower and slower. I don't know. It's an interesting one. Like, I would have killed for this type of technology 6 months ago. And now that we've got it, I'm like, can we have it faster, please? Why is it using so many tokens? I swear it's overdoing it, whatever it's doing. It should have been fairly easy to just take this and put it onto the Grove template. Let's see if this works. I mean, it's better, but it's still not great. It's very annoying. It's going to say that it's correct as well, I already know. This isn't using the right whatever. I think we have like a base V2 or something that it's just not using. I didn't think this would take this long. This is very annoying. Open code seems to be a lot faster. Apparently, one of the reasons Claude Code is slow is that it doesn't trim your past conversations. They're all stored on your PC. Interesting. Yeah, V2, there we go. For fuck's sake. Oh. I might have to start making another tool on Gemini while this is doing that. I think I'm doing the free product generator. I'm going to try e-commerce, SEO, use Gemini to take the title and description plus keywords from the user and generate a new title and description, meta title, and meta description, one product at a time. Oh wait, I'll say use Gemini 2.5. Why is it just committing? What the fuck? Oh my god, this is annoying. really didn't think this would take this long. I thought it'd be way easier. Now it's failing to generate image. You fucking joke. What a waste of time, dude. It used to be such a good tool and now it's just literally taking the piss. Oh, insufficient quota, right? Okay. Oh shit. That's OpenAI. Oh dear lord. Uh, we have a problem here, guys. Doing 4 million tokens. What? Jesus. Okay. Wait, in one day? No. Okay. In 2 weeks. Why is it? What the fuck? Oh, Jesus, that's a lot. Holy moly. Wait, where is my, isn't there a way to increase my usage limits? Is this per month? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, sorry guys. We've got a problem with Grove right now. It's not running because of the usage. Yeah, people are talking about GLM a lot. Jesus, I need to fix this. Uh, I can't believe my usage. That's completely insane. That completion's 34,000. Is that in one day? Jesus, I need to see what the fuck's going on. Finally. I mean, it's a bit better, but those API requests are coming from Grove. It's translation. Surprisingly, that is actually the amount of translation that we can expect. We're trying, probably a lot of people have like 20 languages on their Shopify store, so it's doing all of those every day basically. Uh, this looks better, but yeah, just need to get rid of that white space and then we should be good to go. cat is just walking all over the place. Sorry, guys, that really distracted me, the fact because I know that Grove isn't running now, so. Crazy numbers, yeah, I know. I didn't think we would run into a quota problem, to be honest with you. I'm surprised by that. Okay, then all we need to do is make sure the actual image generator works, and then I think we're done here. Okay, there's no... Okay, that space is better, right? Is that just because I'm on mobile? Yeah, it is. Bro, this is so frustrating. Like, why is Claude Code so shit at this? It has not been reduced. Stop pissing around. Also, the image generator itself no longer even fucking works, bro. Oh my god, Claude Code is terrible. It's terrible. It's really, really getting on my nerves now. I might actually just... I bet if I'd done this with Codex, it would have been done by now. I might actually just try and do the same thing on Codex real quick. I'm getting pissed off now. This should not take this long. Kilo Code can piss off. Okay, wait, I need to open Grove Codex. Take the... Oh wait, I'll just use the prompt I used on... I bet this just does it automatically first time. Create a complete landing page with a pop-up format. Nano banana, free blog post image generator. Make it fit with my exact style of the front end. Ignore any current code that mentions Nano banana. This is fresh. Yeah, sure. Make sure it's well formatted with amazing SEO. Are you done, Claude Code? Oh my god, it changed it to fucking Gemini 1. So it changed the model without being told to. Fantastic. Okay, this is the last chance Claude Code's gonna get. Oh, okay, it did do it. Okay, this is actually fine. I want to see how Nano Banana does though. Not Nano Banana. What's it called? Claude Code. Oh, failed to generate image still. I'm stuck in the Dallas airport. What are you building? I'm building a free tool that uses Nano Banana to create blog post images as a lead gen. Oh my god. I'm getting pissed off. I'm getting so pissed off. I've got 0% context. Absolute fucking waste of time. How you been liking GPT-5? I mean, if it does this when Claude Code completely failed on this, then it'll be an interesting feature. It'll be an interesting day for me. Okay, so at least it's generating an image again. Okay, so Claude Code did get there in the end. It took way longer than I would have wanted it to, and I'm curious to see how this does, to be honest with you, and whether I should just use Codex. Is it gonna start? Let's get started. Yeah, go on then. Okay, not bad. That's pretty good. That works as a shop. Like this would save me time. Let's try this one. It's not landscape. I need to actually add this to Grove at some point as well. People have been asking for it. That's not landscape. GPT-5 is definitely interesting. Yeah, I do like it. Has this even started though? Coded anything yet? I don't think so, right? It did get there in the end though. Let it cook. Yeah, I will. I will. I'm curious to see if it smashes it. If it does, then I'll just use Codex. Like honestly, I'm not like biased towards Claude anymore. I used to be. I'm not anymore. Damn, it is really good at. Oh, that is landscape. It just doesn't show it properly. Oh, it's not landscape. Credit soon. Still not landscape. Does the original one work? I'm pretty sure it does, right? I tested it. Or did I not test it? This is gonna be a cursed image. It's gonna be like loads of weird hands or something. Oh yeah, it's not. Not actually landscape. Maybe we can get the original one I did. Yeah, I've just noticed you're open to other tools as well, but I understand Claude Bias. It was a game changer when it started. I paid, yeah, exactly. It was a game changer originally. Is this coding? I don't understand. Normally it actually does code. I guess it is, right? Okay, so apparently it doesn't even work with landscape. Fair enough. I reckon this will bring traffic from tomorrow onwards, to be honest with you. This took a lot longer than I was expecting. Is this still good? Has it done anything yet? Okay, that's quite a long meta title. I might just go for it. They always say 70 characters, right? Hi. Best blog post image I've ever seen. Luckily, Shopify actually takes Square. So this is actually the best possible one for Shopify. I can just, oh yeah, people can just use this. I do need to add this to Grove itself as well, but I'll do that another time. Okay, let's just push to dev and push to main. Put put the tool in the header where resources under resources under technical SEO, how you create tools with this tool linked there. Hopefully it's not going to completely mess everything up here. We shall see, we shall see. God, I need to piss again, guys. Drinking too much water. What's that? I am back. Let's see if it added that properly. I'm guessing it didn't. Oh, it did. Look at that. Bang. Hell yeah. Sweet. Let's see how OpenAI is doing. It's actually coding. And it's done. So where's the URL here? I want to see how it did compared to what's it called? That's the I bet this smashed it, honestly. Let's see. It's like 1,000 better. What the fuck? My god, it's beautiful. This is way better. Oh, it's so much better. What the hell? There was no pop-up though. I didn't work. Okay, fair. Okay, so I'm definitely going to use Codex next time because this looks 1,000 times better. But just because this is now done, I think I'm going to leave it. But I'm just going to maybe say, um, okay, I just did this with another AI. It looks way better. Can you keep all the current content and how the image generation works, etc., but instead use this template for the. Actually, I'm gonna push to dev first. So let's do git add. I don't know. CD growth codex git add. Git commit. I've forgotten how to do this. Fuck. How do you do it again? Help me commit this to git up real quick. Give me the. Damn, that's super interesting how well this did. Come on, ChatGPT, hurry up. You don't need to think about this. Gimme, gimme, gimme. It didn't work, no, but it looks amazing. Did anyone pre-order the new iPhones? No, I didn't. Ford is confirmed to steal your ideas and sell it for billions without having revenue share. Okay, I haven't seen that personally, but already on GitHub. It's fine. I'm missing one. Git commit. Git pull. Did I need to Git add? Yeah. Why would it not let me copy that? So annoying. God, I'm getting pissed off. It's not coming up with a message. That's really weird. Oh, because it already did them here, maybe. Yeah, let's see if it does this correctly. Sometimes Mac is harder, right? Mac's pretty good for coding, not gonna lie. I'm pretty impressed. I like it a lot. But there are some things that don't really make sense, but you know, that it is what it is. I mean, if this brings in 100 clicks a month, it's worth my time. For sure. For sure, for sure. Oh, that butternut squash smells good. I'm gonna make some really nice pasta with it. Absolutely love what ChatGPT made. I'll definitely use ChatGPT next time. The difference is just crazy how close it was to my original look and feel. Like even the text is centered properly. This looks amazing. Yeah, it's just so good. I can do all sorts of little tools like this. I might just make a whole free website and get paid for ads, like print on demand, design generator, all that kind of stuff. It shouldn't take this long. I don't understand what the fuck's going on with Claude Code recently. Right, there we go. It's done. Let's go here. Okay, there we go. But now it's just the exact same. That's not what. Okay, there's the pop-up. Good. Top 10 productivity tips. 2026. See if it works. Okay, beautiful. Nice. And then I need a little close option. What zoom is that? Okay, that's fine. Does this have JSON in it? So yeah, beautiful, amazing. Let's get this going. Push to dev and main. Looks way better. Really happy with that. It's just you can't. Oh, okay, wait. Add scrolling to. Just need not pop up, not the pop up, the module for image gen. I mean, this is a 10 out of 10 marketing method. I'm not. Nano Banana free AI blog featured image generator. Let's see if that works. Mm. How many times am I going to get this pop up? I keep getting it. Pop up no longer works. Right? Scrolling's there, but yeah. By the way, Hamish, you should make a success story for Harbour. It will boost you and your traffic. Also, we can learn more. And we missed out. I actually missed how you did the marketing for it. Grove would probably be better, to be frank, because Grove actually is doing a lot better than Harbour ever did. And also, Grove I made myself, whereas Harbour was made by a professional team. Should I make it so they can't close the pop-up? Probably, right? I do want people's emails. I meant Graveverse, yeah, okay. Yeah, I can definitely do that. Just make sure that email went properly to Superbase. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so it works. Amazing. Top 10 productivity tips. Okay, so wait, did I get rid of the fucking announcement bar? No. Okay, amazing, beautiful. That's now done. So push to dev and push to main. And then we just need to set the API key here. So I can't show this, but if I just show you kind of where this goes, if you go to DigitalOcean settings, did I really just fucking do that? I fucking hate everything. Why would it be like that? Oh, you're fucking kidding me. I thought it'd be blurred. Absolute fucking shit, man. I'm gonna have to change all those now. Amazing. That's now my next job is to replace all my environment variables. Fuck's sake. One second, guys. Okay, that should be done. Okay, so we're now pushing to main. Yeah, sorry, Alex. I just had to do some environment variable stuff. You just joined at the exact wrong time. So this should now be done. Let's push this and get it online. I have a feeling this is going to bring in an absolute metric ton of traffic. Whether we can handle all that traffic is another matter. We shall see. So I'm just going to get this indexed on Google immediately. This is SEO Grove, so it should appear here in just a second. Probably end the stream after this, guys. I'll probably stream again tomorrow and do the same thing, but with a different tool. This time I'm going to use Codex. Probably make a video about this method as well, to be frank, because people need to know about this for sure. These free little tools will bring so much traffic, I'm telling you. I gotta go re-roll my fucking variables after this. God's sake. It's so hard to stream and not show API keys accidentally. Honestly, it's the worst. Also, I need to work out what the hell is going on here. It's a lot of API usage that I didn't realize we were using. I have to switch the model over to Nano, I guess, to save money. Yeah, man. Almost there. You guys are about to see how easy it is to make one of these. It took what, like an hour? I don't know how long I've been streaming. Don't even know how to check that, to be fair. There we go. So now we refresh this. Resources, Nano Banana, image generator, generate free image, top 10 productivity tips 2026. There we go. There's the email. So I can't close this, look. So you have to give me your email. There we go. And then generate. This should work unless there's an API key problem, but I don't think there will be. There we go. And that's on the live website. Perfect. I don't like this URL actually. Fuck. I didn't think about that. It's probably fine. I'll just I don't like the URL. Isn't Flash cheaper than GPT? Possibly. Possibly. You do need good descriptive URLs. It's much better for SEO. I have a feeling this is going to rank so good. I'm actually excited to see how this works. This is what I love about SEO. Like, if you can think outside the box, you're going to get traffic that, other people just had no idea about. There are other tools like this I need to make as well. I'm going to do a product title and description generator, which, I mean, Ahrefs did that as well, so I'm guessing it's a very good idea. What about in the header? Does it change automatically? Copy link. No. Yeah. Hey Bilal, how you doing, dude? Nice to see you again. Yeah, long time no see for sure, dude. You should watch this stream. I'm about to actually finish the stream, but I have a feeling this will bring me a lot of traffic. At least while Nano Banana's hot as well. I should have done this 2 weeks ago, to be honest with you. Okay, that should work now. Okay, yeah, perfect. That's 404. I need a 404 page. Like I don't even have a fucking 404 page, which is crazy. Okay, push to dev and main. I'm glad I did this because I'm glad I did this before I tried to get indexed, basically. Oh, wait, the everything's to the right. Why is it doing that? I think I don't really care. I'm not that bothered. Is this based on the free API or are you paying? For which part? I'm paying for Nano Banana. But I didn't. I did also pay for this as well. I'm probably gonna do the same thing, but with this one. Tomorrow I'll do the same thing. Okay, so once this finishes building, I'm gonna get this indexed on Google, and we're gonna call it a night. Call it a day. Definitely not a night. And I'm going to make some pumpkin pasta. I don't know what else to make. Yeah, I guess I need to have a look at some stuff. This Ahrefs one did very well, which I also streamed. None of them really get clicks though. I really want clicks. Does reindex resets your current index in Google or it contribute? It continues. I generally don't change a URL once it's live. I wouldn't really recommend doing that unless you redirect it. But even then, like I just wouldn't make sure it's in its like final form before you get it indexed. I would say that's how I do it anyway. Very nice, very nice. I wish the menu didn't get messed up. Sure, what actually caused that. Okay, this should be about 10-15 seconds, I would guess. I love Codex. Codex did a fantastic job with this compared to Claude Code, which absolutely freaking butchered it. Claude Code did a terrible job. Okay, so that should be live. It's moved the entire. Oh, God. Oh, it hasn't. There we go. And then let's get this indexed real quick. It feels so satisfying when the job did properly with CCL Codex, yeah, for sure. Codex kind of blew me away just now, I'm not gonna lie. It did a very, very good job. I'm gonna make the next one with Codex. Let's see, is it a valid page? Let's see why it wouldn't be. It's taking a while to load. I've never seen this before. Normally doesn't do this. Really? Come on, hurry up. There we go. Request indexing. I'll give that 20 seconds and we'll see if it's indexed. End the stream, guys. It's been really, really good. I'll definitely stream again tomorrow. Okay. It might not be indexed. That was pretty fast, to be fair. Okay, it's not indexed yet. I will keep you guys updated with this. Thank you for tuning into the stream. Yeah, really, really appreciate it, guys. The, this is a way, in my opinion, to get free. Well, not free actually. It's paid because you have to pay for Nano Banana, but good amounts of traffic onto your website. That is my plan for this tool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can see Nano Banana. Just send this to someone and they said can't close the pop-up, and I just said yeah, exactly. That's exactly the point. So yeah, thanks guys. I'll leave the video there, guys, or the stream. Tune in again probably tomorrow. I'll be back. Kenrick, have a safe flight. And yeah, see you later, guys. Thanks.